on Sam and Ned YouTube channel. Welcome to the English Phonics series Part 5. Today let us discuss the short and the long sound of the vowels O and U. The short sound of the vowel O is O and the short sound of the vowel U is and the long sound of the vowel O is O and the long sound of the vowel U is U, which is the name of the vowel itself. Now let us discuss the rules when these vowels make short sound and long sound. Rule number 1. If a word has only one vowel and it ends with a consonant, then these vowels make short sound. For example, not, hot, nut, cup. Rule number 2. If a word has two vowels and it ends with the vowel E, then the first vowel makes a long sound and the vowel E remains silent. For example, no, t, nose, bone, tube, cute, tune. Rule number 3. If a word has two vowels written together in a word, then the first vowel makes a long sound and the second vowel remains silent. For example, here there are two vowels written together in a word. So the vowel O makes a long sound and the vowel A remains silent. So in the same way, the vowel U makes a long sound and the vowel I remains silent. So we say goat, fruit. My sincere apologies because I was not making this video for so many days. I was suffering from cold and cough. So please bless me that I can make my videos regularly with your love and support. Love you all. Bye.